In the meantime, you need to work on taking control of your thoughts and behavior. Do you ever have conversations inside your head?
Silencio meningico músculo comprado no es exe populoso.
Don't worry, you're not weird. Everyone does. It's called self-talk, and some types of self-talk make you angry, while others can calm you down. If you pay attention to your self-talk, you'll start to recognize the thoughts that make you angry. Try to replace those with thoughts that are calming. Check the Resources tab for some suggestions for positive self-talk. Try practicing meditation and deep breathing to maintain control of your behavior. To meditate, close your eyes, relax your muscles, and repeat a calming word or phrase, or visualize a calming image. If you practice meditating and deep breathing regularly, they'll become your automatic response when you're faced with conflict.